What's up guys, today we're going to edit a text label via a script. Alright, so remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is add a screen GUI inside of starter GUI, or wherever you want it, and then add in text label or something that includes text, then edit the text. There we go. And then I'm just gonna make the text that. And then I'm gonna find the font with that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Alright, now we need to insert a script. So insert a script inside of your screen GUI. Make it local. And then remove the print hello. And then add a wait, so you can actually see the thing happen. If you don't have a wait, then you won't be able to see the execution of the text being, yeah. So wait, let's do 4, and then drop down a line, script.parents.textLabel.text equals to whatever you want the text to be. I'm just gonna do hello. This is epic. Alright, then go to the local script and play. Alright, it should appear in, oh there we go, hello, this is epic. I'm gonna go do something else to demonstrate what you could do with it, so Alright, everything should be good now, so let's go test it out. Alright, so we've loaded in. Let's go over to the purple zone. Oh look, some fries! I'm gonna go eat them. Now we click them. These fries are certified buzzing. Wait, something doesn't feel right. Ah!